Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to delete Instagram post. So there are maybe some posts you want to delete, okay, so which you have done before. So for that you need to go to your Instagram account and of course to your Instagram profile by clicking on that profile icon on the bottom right side of your screen. You can see, okay, now we need to tap on that, and here you will be able to see your all the posts in bottom side. So just simply select that post or that photo which you want to delete, right? So let's suppose I want to delete this one. So just simply tap on the three dot on the top right side, and here you can see delete option. Just simply tap on delete. So here you can say delete this post. So the post is deleted. So in this way you can delete your Instagram post.